welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Joy Miyagaga and this is Joy with Hey. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Also give me some love by hitting that notification button to see more of these DIY videos. So as you can see in the description below, this is a DIY of how to make your own flaxseed gel at home. With that being said, let's talk about gel. Well, for me personally, gel is very expensive and I need quite a lot of gel for my hair to be maintained and, to be workable and manageable. So I need a lot of gel to make my hair be sleek back and have all those nice styles, or else I'm just gonna have this whole big head of hair on my head. Yeah, that. But right now I'm using Eco Gel and Revlon Flex. Right, and oh my gosh, they're expensive. Can you imagine? For this small tub, it's not big guys, for this small tub I buy this for 100 rand at Clicks, and this I think it's going around 70 to 80 rand also at Clicks. It's the Revlon Reflect, but it's not about my gel, it's all about the what I'm going to show you how to do. So let's go on, let's move on to the kitchen and let's do this DIY. See you soon. So yeah, let's start off by putting your pot on your stove, adding around about 600 ml of water. Take your flaxseed, and I'm using a quarter cup of my flaxseed. Add into your water, and then grab a spoon to stir it up so it settles. So yeah, when you're done, let it boil. So it boils real quickly. So you need to keep an eye on it so that it doesn't rise and spill on your stove and get it dirty. Now give it a stir again to check the consistency if it's thickening. So we'll give it 10 more minutes. This is how it looks after 10 more minutes. It's very thick now. It's having that mucus looking swirl. So that's what you want. And then when you're done, switch off your stove and let it simmer or cool down by itself so that it thickens more. There it is. It's all cooled up. It's cold. You don't have to worry about burning yourself. Grab yourself a jar, and then I'm going to use stockings to get the juices out. So put your stockings in your jar like that. Take your gel, pour it in your stockings. Now grab your stockings and start squeezing the juices out of. So you want to get the juices out and let the seeds stay in. So just squeeze and squeeze. So it's gonna get messy, but don't worry about that. You can always wash your hands and clean the table after. Just don't worry about that. And then if you're done, there you go. Now you have your gel in your jar. Now I'm gonna recycle my old Eco gel container. So you can use any container you have at home, but what I have right now is this one. It just finished, so I'm just gonna recycle it. Pour in your new Flaxseed gel in there, so you can see just a little bit, just a quarter cup of Flaxseed gel gave me a tub full of gel for just 22.95. So there we go. There's your gel. So yeah, guys, it's that simple, right? It's very simple. All you need is that Flaxseed. I got this from Discount for 22 Rand 95. I didn't even use up the whole pack, and I got myself a tub of gel. So that was 22 Rand from Discount Pharmacies. And all you need is that water and electricity, and get it boiling, and you got yourself your own gel at home. How easy was that? So as you can see, guys, it did a really amazing job. As you can see, let me get closer. As you can see, I've already done most of my hair and I've got some curls. So this looks better than my previous video where I tried to define my curls. Right now I can see it curling, guys. I think Flaxseed is the way to curl my hair. I'm so happy. So with that being said, I'm just gonna show you how to curl this front one. So as you can, this one is straight. That's my hair. That's my normal hair. Normal hair, no curls. And that's how it looks when it's curled. So my Flaxseed, remember I recycled my old Eco tub container. So yeah, let's do this. And then you need your water. Get your hair wet. Never work with dry hair. So my hair's all soaked up. Not a lot, guys, not a lot of gel, just a little bit. So I hope you can see this. I use just, it's not even a lot, it's just a little bit. And then you just start doing that. You can add more if it's not enough. And just start rubbing it in your hair. Okay, I need more because my hair is just too much. Okay, I think that is a little bit too much. So already, this one is already curled up. As you can see, this one is going its own way. Let's get it back in there and curl it more. Okay, I think I just need more, a little bit of more homemade Flaxseed gel. And then you just work it through. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my word. Look at that, guys. I'm in love with this gel. It does wonders to my hair, right? I never thought my hair can curl this much. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. So you can see this one already dried up a bit. This one is still a bit wet. And now we're gonna give my head a shake. Ew, that's disgusting. Okay, let's shake. We're gonna shake your hair just to get more of it curly. Okay, don't give yourself a headache. Okay, that's how it looks. It's not dry yet, so I'll be back when it's dry.
A few moments later.
So yeah guys, I'm done. My hair is almost dry but not dry, but look at the way it defined my curls, guys. Oh my gosh, this is better than the other video that I did. Remember my other video for curling and I failed? Like, it did define my curls. Get that. So that's it, guys. All you need is like 22 rand 95. Go to Discount and get yourself this, and there you go. You've got yourself gel. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in my next video with more DIYs, of course. Thank you guys. Bye.